Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to delete incognito history on Android. Here's what we will cover. Understanding Incognito Mode. Close all incognito tabs. Clear cache and cookies. Let us get started. Step 1. Understanding Incognito Mode. Incognito Mode in browsers like Chrome does not save your browsing history, cookies, or site data to your device. The only things it keeps are files you download or bookmarks you create while browsing. Step number 2. Close all incognito tabs. Open your browser, such as Chrome, and tap the three-dotted icon. Switch to the new incognito tab by tapping the hat and glasses icon. Then tap Close All to end all incognito sessions. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. For extra privacy, you can clear your browser's cache and cookies. Go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, Chrome, Clear Cache. Note that this mainly affects regular browsing. Incognito sessions automatically clear temporary data once tabs are closed. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this guide is for general information purposes only. Incognito mode prevents browsing history from being saved on your device, but it does not make you completely anonymous online. Downloads, bookmarks, or activity tracked by websites, your network, or apps may still be visible. Use this guide responsibly. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions or want us to cover other phone features? Please do drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.